Hi guys! I'm Mommy Anna and
Precious Jake ang lagay ampe.
magmumukbang kami ng
Chocolate.
Dubai Trendy
chocolate.
Chocolate. Alright, so titikman na natin siya. Balatan
Yay!
natin. Original to ha guys ha.
Look cute. Try to open it. Yummy. We're starting to open it.
Excited sila. Dandahan. Pakita mo habang ino-open. Wow! Wow!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Ayan na!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
May matcha ba yan inside?
That's pistachios, I think.
Sky taste.
Broken mo yung unahan.
Balikan mo yun.
Dandahan. Oh, pakita mo.
Oh my
Show it!
God!
Show it! Oh my God! Taste it. Yummy. Pakita mo sa video. Pakita mo yung ganito, yung ganito. Tignan natin kung anong reaction ng 5 years old sa Dubai chocolate na to.
Yum!
Pakita mo, Bing. Yum.
But this is so yummy. This
So
one,
yummy.
it looks like grass.
You like it?
This looks like grass.
That's pistachio. Tignan natin.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Cheers, Dad. Kasali din.
Sarap. Yung mga napanood ako sabi, masyado masarap, ganyan. Pero masarap. Para sa amin. Para sa 5 years old na to, nagustuhan niya.
It look like eating Willy Wonka.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I like